So this is like the third or fourth time I've ordered this set. I have two i3 Roombas that I've had for a few years now, and this replacement set is great. I love it. It comes with 4 of these. So like I said, I have 2 of the i3s. So it comes with 4 of these blades with a little brush and the little screwdriver that you need to take these off. Comes with 4 filters, just 1 set of these. So every time I alternate which one I'm going to trade these out on. And then 6 bags. So each one, like I said, it lasts me less than a month because I have 2 dogs and 4 children. So these fill up with sand. Our backyard has a lot of sand, so the dogs bring in a lot of sand through the dog door, so they get heavy really fast. So these fit as they should. They work really well. And yeah, I thought I'd show you before I replaced everything. And these have like the same, you know, rubbery thing right here. Don't do like I did. It's a zipper bag. I did not notice and ripped straight through the packaging, so you can keep everything in this big bag for the next time you need to use it if you don't destroy it like I did. But I have been consistently impressed with this set because it works really well. I kind of wish it came with 2 sets of these, but that's not their problem. That's a me problem because I have 2 of these. So I just alternate which one I replace every time I order it. Great set. I love it, and very good quality.